and to show you that what I've done, it does work. And if you can have a look at my other videos, all the instructions are on there, and what I gave them to revive them and come out with loads of flowers and buds. And the flowers on these are bigger than usual when I did originally. And here is the new stem that's growing. If you look at the last video, this didn't have the buds on it, but now it's got the bulbs, and they should be popping up soon. Within a couple of weeks they should pop up, and this should grow even longer, like this one here. Beautiful. Now this week I'm not going to put any feed in them. I'm just going to water them, because what I did last time, I put a calcium tablet in there with a vitamin D. Right, I took one calcium tablet, which is that size, and I crushed it. I crushed it with a hammer. So what I should do is put all that in there. And it does work. Have a look at my previous videos, and all the experiment that I've done is on them, and what type of feed I gave them. Beautiful. Size of these flowers. I keep watering them every week. The reason is because the bark dries up so quick. Right, I should go and water them now, drain it out, and put it back onto the windowsill where they belong. Then I should do another video within a week or so to show you how these bulbs popped out, or if there's another a flowering branch grows out. Beautiful. I might go and get another couple of more orchids, different colour. Thank you for watching. Hopefully see you next time.